loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and today's video is going to be my entire Louis Vuitton collection. So if you guys want to see what items I have in my collection, just keep watching. So I'm so excited to show you all my Louis Vuitton collection. I wanted to kind of wait because there's still some things that I want, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just make the video and I can always just go back and compare to see like what I have, what I got rid of. So let's just start with accessories and then I'll do all my bags last. So the first accessory I want to show you guys are my Louis earrings. So I do have the miniature size, like the mini ones. I don't have the large hoops. So this is how they look. I don't know if you guys could really see them. But I think these are so cute. I'm not really a big earring girl. As y'all can see, I usually always have studs in my videos, but I just thought these were just so cute and I really love how they look like on other people. So I just wanted to give them a try. They're very lightweight, they're not heavy at all. Like when I have them on, I actually forget that I have them on. So if you're not really like a hoops person, but you want to kind of, go out of your comfort zone and not do studs all the time, I think these are like a great alternative because they're like the best of both worlds. And I love how they're gold because a lot of times I love wearing like gold hardware, so I just think these are so perfect. And I actually got these in person from my local store, but I do know that they have these online right now, so I'll make sure to link them below. The next thing I want to show you guys is my bracelet. My friend and I actually got friendship bracelets. We got these matching bracelets and they both like have a heart on them. And if you guys haven't seen my unboxing of this, I'll make sure to link it above in the cards. And I also film a vlog of us picking them out as well, so I'll also link that video above too. And I just think this is so cute. And the great thing about their bracelets, that if you have like really small wrists like me, they do come in different sizes. But I think this bracelet is so cute. I love layering it with like my watches and I just think it's adorable. And you can also just wear it alone and it still will look just as nice. I would love to get like more of them. I'll insert some photos over here to show you which other ones I am interested in, but I just think this is so cute and you can't go wrong as this as your first designer piece. I just think it's so cute and you can wear it all the time. I haven't noticed like really mini scratches on the hardware, and I was really afraid of that because when I'm at work, my hand like rubbing against the desk, I was afraid that it'd have so many scratches, but so far so good. And same also with the Louis earrings, I haven't had any issues at all with those earrings as well. The next thing I want to show you all is my bandeau that I got. If you guys saw my birthday unboxing, I did get myself this bandeau. I just think it's so cute, and I actually kind of want to make a video just all about their bandeaus because they're so versatile. Like, y'all, I wear this as a headband, I wear this as a belt, I wear this like on my bag, I wear this sometimes like around my neck, I wear this, I'm trying to think what else I use it for. Oh, to put around my straps on my Speedy, my Nano Speedy, so I don't get water damage marks on it. This thing is just so versatile. I also use it as a strap, which I'll show you guys later on, but I just love this so much. It's actually the only one that I have, and I would love to like add more to my collection because this thing is just so useful. Like, I didn't realize how much I would utilize this, and I just highly recommend a bandeau as your first designer purchase because you cannot go wrong with this. They come in so many different colors. I really want like a pink, purple, light blue color one because I feel like this could go with all my neutrals, my blacks and browns, but I also want one when I wear like like a pinks and blue, like a more spring one. So I do want that one. I almost got the one that when they did the horoscope signs, I almost got the Leo one, but it just wasn't really, I don't know, I just like some of the other ones better. But I was like, dang, I can't get another one that's not my actual sign. But then maybe I should have, no one would have known, right? But this, I just love this so much, and I just can't wait to add more of these to my collection. Next piece in my collection is my key pouch. If you guys have seen any of my what's in my bags, you know that I am always raving about this, even to the point where I made a video all about the key pouch, which I will link above in the cards. I just love this key pouch so much. I use it every single day. Like, I definitely get my money's worth out of this thing, honestly. I keep my cards, my license in it, my keys in it, and it's just so easy to just grab and go. And I actually find myself never using my wallet. Like, I find myself always using this pouch instead, and just like with my keys attached, and I could just go on and, you know, go run errands. I can just go to really quick to the gas station, and I don't have to worry about carrying like an actual purse or a wallet. I just love how hands-free I feel with this, and I don't feel like I have like a lot of stuff. And this actually also has made me like really more minimalistic, because I was definitely one of those people who had like so many things in their wallet that was just unnecessary. So I just love this so much, and I'm just so happy to have this in my collection. I do want to get like another the card holder. I just think that one's nice. They also have one that came out, I think it's gone, but it was like a limited edition collection, and I'll insert a picture over here. I just love that design so much, which you will see why later. But I just think this is so cute, and I just really love their card holder, and I'm kind of regretting not getting it because I'm probably never gonna see it again. I know they're constantly coming out with new, you know, different prints and designs and card holders, so, you know, I know if I'm patient, I'll see another one that I like. The next thing in my collection would be shoes. Here are my Louis Vuitton slides. They're like, I guess, mules. I'm not sure the proper name of them, but I love these so much. I actually did, you know, get this print just to match my slides, because I just thought, you know, what a perfect outfit combo. These are so comfortable, guys. Like, they're so comfortable. I wear them all day. I wear them to work. I wear them like running errands. I wear them on vacation. They just make your feet look really nice. I did get these in a size 38, and I'm normally a 7.5, so I did go up half a size. And I just think these are just like one of my best purchases. I do have like severe regret of not getting the pink ones that they came out with. I'll insert them here. I don't know why I didn't jump on it. I just think those are so cute. But my whole thing was, I'm just like, they kind of remind me of slippers, so I just would feel so weird wearing them outside the house. But I should have bought them, because now I'm just regretting it so much, and it's probably gone forever. I know you guys look at the black ones, but it was just something about those pink ones that just really like drew me in, and I'm just like, how could I let them go, you know? But yeah, these are my only pair of shoes that I have with them. There's some other ones. I do have my eyes on the timeout sneakers. I think those are cute. But yeah, so those are all my Louis Vuitton accessories. So now we're gonna go into my bags. So I'm gonna start off with the first bag that I ever bought. This actually is my first designer purchase ever, and it is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Oh, handy dandy. And I did get it in the ballerina pink color, and I do have a organizer. I'll show you guys. I do have this pink organizer inside of it to try to protect it and keep it, you know, structured. But I just really like this bag a lot. I think it's a great work bag. I think it's a great traveling bag, and that's mostly what I use it for. Not really as an everyday bag, just for like work and traveling. I just love tying, you know, my bandeau on it sometimes to wear with my shoes. It's so crazy because I almost sold this bag because I just felt like lately I haven't been wearing it as much, and then Louis Vuitton just had a price increase, and it's like $2,000 now for this bag, and I'm just like, yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this or let it go, because I would hate to regret it and then want to buy it again, like, oh, that would suck so much. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to this forever. But I know that this bag, a lot of people don't like it. They feel like everyone has it, but I just feel like everyone has it because it's such a great bag. Like, it's so useful. It holds everything. I literally could fit so much in here, and if you guys want to see what I could fit in here, I did make a what's in my bag video on this bag, so I'll link that above as well. But I just feel like this was like a great first purchase for me personally, because at the time I was in grad school, I was working, and I had my business. It was just a lot going on, and I just needed a bag where I could carry everything. So I just think this was like the perfect first purchase for me, and you know, it made me just fall in love with the brand. So the next bag that I got was this one. And it's so crazy because this bag literally, it doesn't look like it can fit anything, but y'all, trust me, it could fit all your necessities, okay? And I just think this is like a perfect nighttime bag, going out bag, you know? Like, it's just so cute and dainty, and that's what I love about it. Like, you know, I just think this bag is perfect for going out to dinner, going out with your friends, you know? I just think it's so perfect. I highly recommend getting this bag. Like, I just love it so much. I actually got this pre-loved from Rebag, and the first time I saw this bag was actually on Instagram. I saw a girl with it on Instagram, so I was definitely influenced, and it was just like the cutest thing I ever seen, and I was like, yes, I have to buy this purse. Like, the next bag that I got was this one, the Felici. So I really love the Felici bag. I just feel like it's just so adorable in this print. Like, do you guys see this print? When I saw this print, I was just like, I need this purse. And I'm not really a fan of the Felici, just like I would look at it, but I just never felt like the urge to get it. But when I saw this print, which is why I said I really wish I got the card holder of this print, I just fell in love with it. And I just love the Felici because it's literally like 3 bags in one. And I'm definitely gonna do a video all about this bag. I also think this is like another great first purchase, honestly, because it's so versatile. Like, you can wear it in so many ways, and I just love how it also comes with, like, you know, like the cute little accessory pouches. So it's like a card holder for all your cards, and it's like a little zip up pouch. So it's honestly like 3 things in one, you know? Like, you can't beat this. Like, you can't beat this. And I just love this bag so much. It fits enough. Honestly, sometimes I feel like it fits the same amount as the Papillon, honestly. I know that sounds crazy, but I think it's because of how narrow it is. So I just can't really fit too much in here, or I'll have to either just remove these and just not take that at all, so that way my phone and my other things could fit. But I do really like this bag a lot, and I use it so much. I love wearing it as a shoulder bag. I just usually just like wrap the chain around and kind of make my own shoulder bag, basically. And this is how it looks as a shoulder bag, and I just love wearing this all the time. Like, do you guys see how cute this is? Like, I just love this bag so much. I just think it's honestly one of my favorite bags, honestly. The next item from my collection would be the Louis Vuitton Scott box. I use this so much, and I use the bandeau as a strap, and I like tie it around. I'll insert some pictures to show you guys what I mean. This is actually a jewelry box, but I use it as a purse, and it's just so adorable. It's like the perfect little nighttime bag, and to open it, you just like push it in and then it opens. I just think it's so cute, like even just like displayed on your shelf or something, like even if you don't use it. But I do use it as a bag, and it's just so fun to me and different from my other pieces. I did tell myself I'm not allowed to buy any more monogram or pieces because, you know, no more monogram. But so I just thought this was different, and it still has the cute little LV print. If you ever been interested in getting a Scott box, like, I highly recommend getting it. You can't go wrong with it. It's just so freaking cute. Like, honestly, you can't go wrong with this. It's like perfect for like the evening time and when you don't have to carry much. I know the square one of this can fit a phone, like an iPhone, like Pro, but this one obviously cannot fit it. It can just fit, like, you know, your essentials, like your keys, your wallet, like a small perfume bottle, lip gloss, things like that. It can fit, but not anything larger than your, like, not anything larger than the card holder. Last but not least, my last bag that I got from LV would be the Nano Speedy. I love this bag so much. It's just like, even though it's so small, it holds so much. My phone could fit in here, and I have the 12 Pro. That just says a lot about how much could fit inside of this bag. When I do wear it, I do tie my bandeau around the straps because I'm trying so hard to preserve, you know, the straps, and I don't want them to have like watermarks. I do store it with the straps tucked inside of the bag. I know a lot of people hate these straps a lot and they'll cut them off, but I actually don't mind them. Like, I actually think it's cute with the strap, honestly. And if it really annoys me, I'll just tuck it inside the bag. Like, it doesn't bother me as much. I did make a what's in my bag to show you guys how much could fit in here. Honestly, the Nano Speedy is such a great bag. It's such a great investment. I know they're very hard to find, so if you are on the look for one, make sure you just, you know, meet an essay and just, you know, create a relationship with them, so that way when they do get like hard to find things in their store, they can assist you and help you get whatever you want and what's like on your desired wish list. But honestly, I love her so much. Like, this is definitely another one of my faves. And yeah, that's pretty much my entire LV collection. You guys gotta let me know what you have, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.